Hey friends, ETPC here doing another product review. This is the Dust Daddy from Life Helper. Universal Vacuum Dusty Brush Dust Cleaner Accessory Tubes. Tiny Cleaning Sweeper Vac Attachment Remover Tool. Compatible with Dyson. Alright, well, let's see what's in the box here. So this is how it came. I picked this up off of Amazon, about 12 bucks. I saw it on TV and let's see, so that's in the box. Okay, this came with two attachments, or two of the duster things, so that's kind of neat. What's this? So that must be one of the attachments, so you can fit it on your vacuum cleaner. Okay, this is a secondary attachment. So this is the deal. It's got a bunch of little straws basically, and hopefully that'll allow it to, oh, and another attachment. So it's got three attachments, and I think these are identical. Yes, so it has, this box came with two of these and three different attachments. 1, 2, and 3. So that's what's in your box. I just pretty much picked this up so I could vacuum out my computer and other dusty areas. So I'm going to definitely give this a shot here. So that's what's in the box. We're going to go ahead and hook this up to my Shark vacuum and do a demonstration, and we'll finish this up with a review. So thanks for watching. Alright, my friends, I have a Shark vacuum cleaner, a True Pet one, and I'm just going to show you that the attachments for this Dust Daddy work on the Shark vacuum cleaner here. Okay, so if you just want I guess kind of a short extension, this one right here, just plug it in there, and there you have it. Works great so far as being attached. I thought I might have to make an attachment, but and then if you want even longer, you can attach the blue one there, and the Dyson attachment there on the end, and then this one there, and that onto your Shark, and that gives you another foot on there. So just a couple things there, and let's go see how this works. Alright, here we are in the car, and look, we have stuff in the floor mat. Alright, so it does pick up toothpicks apparently. What else can we get here? Alright, if you have a drawer with some stuff in there that you don't want to suck out, but you want to get the dirt out, you can do it that way. Okay, that's kind of nice. My drawer's all clean. It does pick up some of the screws, but it doesn't suck them up though, so that's kind of nice. Just turn off your vacuum cleaner, and you're good to go. So there's a couple applications for this. Seems to work pretty good. If you were a little bit more flexible, I think it'd be better, but that's kind of nitpicking. As far as cleaning computer and things like that, it works pretty good, so I'm pretty impressed with it. If you were to get around stuff, it's not going to suck up anything smaller than that. So, alright, thanks for watching, my friends, and we'll see you next time. Okay, so here we are. Another application is in the dryer. We have this hard to get places here, so we can just suck those up. So there's a few of the different things that this can do. I'm sure there's more uses, but basically hard to reach place where you need a semi-flexible attachment that isn't going to suck up large pieces, but smaller like dust and things like that. So let's get on to the final review. Okay, so we have the modem under here, tucked up under the desk with all the wires, so you see the dust here. I'm going to try this out here. Okay, so that works pretty good as far as getting the dust out of the hard to reach places. That seems fairly effective. Alright, let's move over to my computer here. Alright, here we are at my computer on the insides. So lots of hard to reach places with dust on here, so let's try this here. Alright, so that works pretty good at getting in the crevices and stuff. If the straws were slightly more flexible, because sometimes you try to get into the smaller area and it's blocked by the other one, so if it separates a little, if they're a little bit more flexible, if you flatten them out, they get in there a little easier. But it works a lot better than most attachments, so that's that. Alright, my friends, thanks for watching. Hey there, friends. Final thoughts on the Dust Daddy vacuum attachment. So it worked good with my Shark vacuum, which it wasn't specifically made for. It doesn't seem to be. And it did a good job of sucking up things without, sucking up the smaller objects without sucking up the larger ones, which is kind of nice. And it did a good job of cleaning the hard to reach areas. If I had any critiques at all, it would be sometimes when we're trying to get into small areas, you try to push it in there and the other ones block it. So if they were a little bit more flexible, that would be cool. I don't know if that's possible without losing some aspect of the suction ability, but I like the attachments allowed me to hook it up to my Shark vacuum just fine. Like I said, it comes specifically for or with the Dyson attachments as well. So this is kind of nice. Works great as advertised. So as you can see in the previous demonstration, it works pretty well. So thanks for watching this review, man, everybody, and I appreciate the support. I was going to say something else, but I can't remember now. But yeah, it's a handy little tool to have for sure. Thanks for watching.